So I thought, what better time to share a recipe for a vegan, gluten-free, quick and easy dessert than when I have 15 minutes before my roommate comes and picks me up for a last-minute potluck that I was invited to. Ready? So I just found this recipe. It's called Gluten-Free Vegan Puppy Chow Muddy Buddies. Prep time 5 minutes, cook 5 minutes, total 10 minutes. So let's put that to the ultimate test here. On my way home from work, I quickly picked up the ingredients that I needed. You need some gluten-free cereal. You can do Honey Crunch or you can do the gluten-free Chex Mix. Half a cup of organic peanut butter. This isn't organic, but it's what I had and it's GMO free. So this is allergy friendly. I think it's also like gluten-free, dairy-free, coconut oil, and powdered sugar. So let's get going here because I'm on a time crunch. Tastes great. Add peanut butter, chocolate chips, and coconut oil to a saucepan on low heat. Stir everything until melted. Okay, so I have a tiny little saucepan here, so we're half a cup of organic peanut butter. Right, so I have it in there, so we need half a cup of parchment paper. Okay, so we're pretty solid here, so we're gonna take this off the heat. Alright, so what am I supposed to do? Remove the chocolate, pour it over the cereal pieces. Chocolate mixture has cooled. I mean, come on, I have like 2 minutes. What do you mean? Sprinkle half the powdered sugar on them. This will help to keep them sticking together in the next step. Transfer the pieces to a large mixing bowl and sprinkle the remaining half of the powdered sugar on them. Then gently toss until the powdered sugar is evenly distributed. This is Tatiana from Fresh Green Tea.